Hi there, Virgo. Welcome to your reading. So, how are you guys? This is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Thank you very much for tuning in. Okay, so we finally have a card for you. Wow. Okay, so we have the Queen of Wands and the High Priestess. All right, so these are quite attractive. If this is a person, they're so attractive. They're enticing to look at. You want to be around them. They're great they're great with people. Okay, they can influence people. They're all about protecting what they have and making sure that others who are in their circle are also taken care of. Could be humanitarian. So there's great fortune coming your way. Things are looking well and great with the Empress. This is fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and this is the Empress is Libra, Taurus energy. So if these are two people, I think that they are, you know, walking side by side like a partnership here going on. So one is great in mentoring, one is like supporting the other. They look elegant together as well, sophisticated, and I feel like they have, businesses everywhere. Like I feel like it's growing, it's flourishing, things look great, and they're very creative. So I think that they have a few or many things expanding, like many businesses on the side, and they're getting um, resources from anywhere, I feel, or for some of you. So let's see what's going on for Virgo. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, please. Okay, so I feel like I want this one. So we have the Six of Swords and Eight of Cups. So the Eight of Swords is this energy of totally giving up, even if it's hard. There's some help here. You're not alone with moving on. Okay. Um, what else? It's like perhaps in relation to the first two cards, I feel like you're venturing out to something like business, like another business. Okay, I'm done with this one, so I'm moving on to another area or another interest, another creativity to um, get more income. And I feel like there it was tumultuous before. You're moving to a commerce space. Things are coming together now, I feel, with the Six of Swords, with this investment. So it's all about, I feel like it's more like, financial resources for Virgo that is showing up here. There's a little bit of heart feelings that I see with the Eight of Cups. I feel like there is moving on with relationship, could be a partner, so not so attached to it. So you have finally decide. The Seven of Cups, talks about having all these opportunities, all these dreams, options, and you've finally decided which one to choose. And I feel like you're choosing the one that will bring peace, will look into your inner self and would just give me that peace that I long for. And we're getting the Tower card, so it could be you or your person. So how do we interpret this? We have the Tower card and the um, Four of Pentacles. So the Tower card, it's the energy of surprise. Things that you get so used to, could be the other person, they get so used to with you. Someone is, holding themselves from being around this person. It's like, I'm done. I don't want to reach out to you. I just want to keep things, whatever it is, feelings, emotions, not talking. It's like, done. I'm not gonna talk. I'm not gonna argue. It's done. I'm not. So the other person could be surprised that this is happening. So it's like, you know, if you're giving out all these energy into the world, you're like vacuuming them all in, and it's like for the other person, it's like the end of the world, or it's something that they're not used to at all. So, and then let's see what we have with the romance cards for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please give us cards for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay, here. We have release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. Okay, there you go. We have wedding. And then the last one. Last one, please. This is for Virgo. Okay, here. Reconciliation. Okay, so this is kind of hard. This is a heavy kind of energy. Let's see how we can go over this. So we have release your ex. The wedding, the situation involves marriage. Someone from your past is returning to your life. Reconciliation. So yeah, this person was like someone, I don't know if this is related to the cards we have here, but there's a heart. I mean, there's a cup here, which meant a relationship or love interests. You've had like promises of wedding with this person, like you're serious about this relationship. It could be a new relationship that's coming in that's gonna offer you this commitment, but there's also an energy here of releasing your exes. There could be like a false promise that happened, or it was like a committed relationship that you have to let go of with this Eight of Cups. And there could be someone here wanting to reconcile. It could be some of you, or someone from, it could be a friend who wants to come back to your life. Some kind of a feeling as well, maybe a feeling that wants to reemerge, a feeling that you will feel again. Something that calls for happiness, for commitment, like what's like a feeling of being fulfilled, and like a support from family when you were a kid, like that kind of blanket right there. So let's see what the angels have for you, Virgo. For Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, advice, please. Advice for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay. We have intuition and insight. Your intuitive abilities are very accurate right now, so you can trust your guidance to lead you in the right direction. Follow your own insights over the advice of others and don't allow fear or worry to guide your way. It may be best to keep your secrets to yourself right now. So again, um yeah, so there are things that should be left unsaid. And trust your intuition or the insight that you're getting, Virgo, according to this card, to your angels, and follow your own insights over the advice of others. And so this time around, look inwardly with the Empress, and because you're the Empress and you're the Queen of Wands, you got this figured out, Virgo. Your intuitive abilities are very accurate right now, so you can trust your guidance to lead you in the right direction. Because maybe you're moving, you're traveling, you're relocating with this six of swords, and um you got this figured out. Wherever is the direction you want to go, you know, it's you alone know um if this is the right path. You are the Empress, you're the Queen of Wands, you got this figured out. You have the power, the insight, because the Empress is a major arcana, so the energy of being connected to the divine, being intuitive, being guided spiritually. You have strong spirituality in you, Virgo. And thank you very much for watching, and talk to you next time, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.